Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fun way to explore rocking and explore moving in a wave-like fashion. So the body's not just made to move linearly, we're designed to rotate, to spiral, and to wave. And so typically, rocking is back and forth here, but we can also try to, now I'm gonna deviate from rocking posture that I'm always preaching because we're doing something different here. We're on purpose trying to move like a wave, okay? It's gonna be okay. And really good things are gonna happen if you do this. So typically rocking is here, but what we're gonna do is try to make a wave out of our rock. So we're here and we're gonna start swelling up like a wave. And then we're gonna crest and bam, we're here. That doesn't make a lot of sense, I know, but look, just try to move in a wave. See if you can find a wave in your rock. The more you do it, the more you play with it, the more natural it'll feel. See if you can feel that energy build up and then whip out Indiana Jones style. And that's it. Why would you want to do this? Well, one, it kind of helps you learn fluidity, kind of helps you learn some sticking points. Two, it really, it feels good. And that's good enough reason alone. So we're just rocking back and forth, and we're still greatly activating the vestibular system because we're moving forward and back, but we're also doing, as that wave starts to express itself, we're getting a good head nods in here. And our shoulders are still getting reflexive information. They're still learning how to stabilize and move the joints at the same time. Same things are happening in our hips. All the wonderful things we get from rocking, minus that normal posture, but then we're trying to be fluid in the posture and learn how to move through it. And that is why it's worth doing this movement. Anyway, give that a shot. Try to play with moving like a wave. Hi, wave. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.